Hi everyone, and welcome back to Rain's Arts. So today I have this lovely 30 by 40 centimetre single thick canvas from Montmart, and I've put the wedges in, so sounding like a drum, which is always good. So today I'm going to attempt to do a blowout in just blues and a dioxazine purple just for a bit of contrast. So the first colour I've got is I'm just going to put down a base coat of white just to give my paint something to flow on. I'll get my little spatula here and just spread this on. So it's a cold, windy day here in West Australia today. Supposed to be in spring, but it looks like spring's run away for a while, which I'm not complaining about because I don't like the hot weather, so I'm quite happy that it's still cool. And my garden is also very happy that it's still cool. So, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this. I'm just going to play and see if I can make something decent out of it. So today I have actually mixed my paints with this pouring medium from Montmart just to see if it's any different. Normally I just use the glue and water. I thought I'd do something a bit different today, or use something a bit different. And of course, as usual, I've forgotten my paper towels, but I did have them here on standby, so that's good. So I'm going to put this lovely dioxazine, I think dioxazine purple down, I think that's how you pronounce it, as my first layer. And I'm wondering if I should go this way, or I might go diagonal this time. I'm always going across, so let's do it this way for a change. Maybe I'll just pour it out, out of the container. Just like that. Okay. I sort of want that colour to come out last. And on top of that, I'm going to use this. This is a primary elements colour called Calypso. It's a kind of a greeny blue colour. Nice, actually. It's nice and shiny. I like that colour. That's nice. I'm just going to stick it over there. And this one is just a Josana phthalo blue. I've got them mixed up in these little containers because my big containers have the glue, my paints mixed with glue and water, so I don't want to get them mixed up. And that's my dog barking at the leaves again. This beautiful colour is also a primary element, and it's called True Blue. don't know how all these blues are going to go together. I'm hoping it's going to turn out nice. And I'm hoping I've put enough paint on there. I suppose you can always add a bit more if I don't. Oh, put that one over there. And then I have this colour, which is a Pearlex colour called Sapphire Blue. And then this is a global paints with the very exotic name of Tahiti. Oh, there's the sun going in again. I do have the lights on, but don't know. I don't know. And then I've just got some white. And to this white I've added some of this dragon glaze. So I'm hoping it's going to give like a nice sparkly colour. A nice sparkle to the colours, I might say. Okay. I'll just put a bit more white just along here because I can see the canvas. Just so the paint's got something to flow on when I blow. And I think that is a little bit of something that shouldn't be there. Yep. I'm going to give it a little torch. Any bubbles out? So it's just canvas here. Didn't cover that very well, did I? I might just do that before I blow it out. Just so it's covered just a little bit more. So how am I going to blow this out? That's the question. I've got my little hairdryer. So I'm hoping this one's going to be enough to blow it out. Paint going everywhere. I really do like those colours together. Okay, what do you think, guys? Colours are really pretty together. Really like this. This is the purple, obviously. Give it a bit of shake because at the moment it just looks like a bit of a globby mess. So let's see if we can do something that's nice with it. Yes, stick, because this is really thick, but I don't want to blow this out anymore and make it muddy. I want some of this purple going up here like this. Paint is really thick in some places and really thin in other places, which is a bit of a shame. I think I want some of that darker colour. Oh. I want some of that darker colour up there too. What do you think? Oh, I can see a face there. I don't know if I like that or not. I love the colours together. Not so sure I like the composition so much. What can I do with it? It's very thick in the middle. See that I'm not just playing now. And probably ruining it. I like this bit here and I like this bit here, but I don't like this bit. No, I don't like that bit there. So, just paint, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape it off. And a bit of white down. More of this purple without spilling it everywhere. More of this blue. And a bit of white. Get my little dryer. so it's blowing everything around. Don't know that bit of globby, whatever that is there. Okay. That's better. I like that better. Okay. And a bit of canvas showing there, so I'll just fill that in with a bit of extra paint that I have there. Funny when you do this kind of painting that how the paint can take on a life of its own, and you have an idea in your head and 9 times out of 10 it doesn't work the way you want it to work. Just playing around with it for a bit. So I will clean my hands off and bring you down for a closer look. So this is the painting. I'm going to have a bit of a play with it and see if I can change. It doesn't have any cells or anything in, but I didn't want it to. I didn't put any Floetrol, and I've not used this pouring medium before. It was a new one for me, so I still like this bit in the corner. Obviously a purple girl and not a blue one. Okay guys, so thanks very much for tuning in, and I shall be back when it's dried to show you the results.